Sawadee-kap! I am A and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, ang gagawin natin is also a makeup. But for today, ang gagawin natin is hindi na ako usually yung magme-makeup sa harap nyo. So meron tayong makakasama for today. Hindi na siya bago sa inyo guys kasi nakasama ko na siya sa previous videos na meron ako. So ayun, so for today, this will be the second time na kasama natin siya for this vlog. And I just wanna welcome her again for this video. And let's welcome Miss Dan. Yeah, there.
Hello guys, welcome.
So siya ulit yung makakasama natin for this transformation. But before that, kung bago ka lang sa channel ko, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button para ma-notify ka sa mga videos and vlogs na ina-upload ko. And without further ado, let's get started! Hi guys, welcome back. So ayan, so for today, ang magagawin natin is mag-start na tayo. So for the first layer, I will be using this NYX primer. So right after natin maglagay ng primer, as you can see sa kanyang kilay, so as of now, wala kasi tayong blade. So, gagawin natin, dadayain na lang natin siya using the Elmer's glue stick para itago or takpan natin yung excess na kilay para hindi na tayo magkano. So, habang iniintay natin siyang patuyo, pwede na tayo maglagay ng loose powder para mas mabilis matuyo yung nilagay nating Elmer's glue. And for her loose powder, she will be using this luxury powder. After natin mag-set ng loose powder, so next natin is maglalagay na tayo ng foundation. And for her foundation, she will be using this Fitme foundation in a shade number 230. Natin mag-apply ng foundation, so next natin is maglalagay na tayo ng concealer. And for her concealer, she will be using this Fitme Concealer in a shade number 13. So next natin is magkikilay na tayo, and for her kilay, ang gagawin natin is itong Anastasia Beverly Hills in a shade deep brown. So, after natin magkilay, so as you can see, hindi pa siya ganun kalinis. Gagamitan natin siya ulit ng concealer using Maybelline Fitme Concealer in a shade number 13 para i-clean up lang yung edges ng kilay. So, right after natin linisin yung edges ng kilay niya, so next natin is maglalagay na tayo ng loose powder. And for her loose powder, she will be using this Benai Luxury Powder. Maglalagay na tayo ng eyeshadow, and for her eyeshadow, she will be using this Kylie palette. And for her base, maglagay tayo lang ng light eyeshadow color. Let's start with the eyeshadow, and for her eyeshadow, first layer na gagamitin niya is maroon. So, papatungan ulit natin siya ng black eyeshadow para mas more define ang kanyang eyeshadow. So, next natin is papatungan lang natin siya ng glittery dun sa kanyang lids para mas maganda yung kanyang eyeshadow. So, next natin, kung ano yung nilagay natin sa upper eyeshadow or sa kanyang lids, hindi natin yung ilalagay sa kanyang waterline. So, right after natin tapusin yung kanyang eye makeup, so next natin is maglalagay na tayo ng liquid eyeliner. And for her liquid eyeliner, I will be using this Aslay Shine Longwear Gel Liner. So, ayan, kailalagay ko lang ng falsies. So, off-cam ko siya nilagay. So, ayan, tuyo na siya. So, next natin is tatanggalin na natin yung mga loose powder na nilagay natin. So, ayan. So, next natin is maglalagay na tayo ng kanyang contour para mas maganda yung shape ng kanyang cheeks. So, after natin maglagay ng contour, next natin is maglalagay na tayo ng blush on. Right after natin maglagay ng blush on, so next natin is maglalagay na tayo ng nose line para mas tumangos ang kanyang ilong. And after natin maglagay ng kanyang nose line para mas maganda yung kanyang nose bridge at tumingkad din yung kanyang cheeks, maglalagay na tayo ng highlighter. And for her highlighter, I will be using this Passion 21 in a shade Eyeshadow Pop. After natin maglagay ng highlighter, so next step natin is maglalagay na tayo ng lipstick. So, ayan, we're almost done. So, magpapalit na lang siya ng damit. Then, aayusin yung buhok for the final look. So, we will be right back. And that's all for today, guys. Kung nag-enjoy kayo watching this video, please leave a like. And you may also share this to your friends para mapanood din nila to. And you may also consider to subscribe my channel para ma-notify ka whenever I'm going to upload a new video. And I hope to see you on my next one. Bye-bye!